This is a quadro puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The quadro puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 identical parts inside the box. But as you can see, the box has restrictions. You can stick the piece inside only through this square opening. And once you put like 1, 2, 3, 4 parts inside, you will notice that it is impossible to put 2 more parts inside of the box. Since you don't know the trick how to solve the puzzle, once you know it, you will know how to solve the puzzle. If you like the quadro puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos about puzzles. Now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, we have to remove the parts from the frame and start over. It's not easy since the pieces are exactly the size of the opening. So what we have to do is to figure out the way how to put parts inside the frame. If you just put them like that, it won't work since you won't be able to fit some of the last pieces inside the box. So the only solution that works is actually like that, but then you put these 2 parts like that. And that means that we can remove these 2 parts, then move this to the side, these 2 goes here, then you move these to the center, remove these 2 parts, and then these 2 parts. So now we put everything inside the box. These 2 parts go here to the right. Now you stick this piece inside and move it to the left. Then this piece goes inside. Here is the important part. You have to flip the box so that this piece will go down, then to the left. This piece goes here. Then you move this piece to the right all the way. And now you can easily put 2 more parts. And that is how you solve the quadro puzzle. Isn't it nice? Clever solution. The puzzle looks easy at a first glance, but then you spend a lot of time trying to figure out that the solution is actually quite easy, but you have to think a little bit. If you like the quadro puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.